two mystery suns resembling the existence of Nibiru, the La Palma volcanic eruption, the insane drone video from the rim of the caldera, and you'll see the videos here. There was one lady that got up 4:30 in the morning and saw the live cam of the La Palma volcanic eruption, and what was two light sources early in the morning, one to the left and one to the right, of the plume of smoke and lava coming out of the volcano's crater. So that's of course not possible unless there's something else that we are able to witness. As we know, there are certain things behind the sun. The ancient Greeks called it Nemesis, the binary twin of our star. They claimed that it was behind the sun, that's why we could not see it. But of course, if it's close to the sun, like this image here on the bottom left by NASA, Planet X, Nibiru system with other, the star with other planets around it, close to the sun. Because of the glare of the sun, of course, telescopes can't see it, we can't even see it, but if you have enough soot in the air to darken the skies, then of course we can see it. And that's what this lady was watching on the live cam. But what is happening? The eruption of the volcano in the Canary Islands of Spain, La Palma, the huge fountain of lava throwing chunks of molten rock to a height of more than 460 meters into the air, was filmed at close range using a drone. Meanwhile, the researcher of anomalous phenomena recorded surprisingly fast light sources above the Cumbra Vieja. A massive ash cloud visible as the volcano was erupting in an explosive phase, and you can see the videos here. I'll leave the link below for the article. Meanwhile, the famous American researcher of anomalous phenomena, Gina Maria Colvin-Hill, saw the following. At the La Palma volcano, light sources, two light sources in the sky, one to the left and one to the right. And the video does not show the sun, since the sun is at the moment over the sea and is clearly visible. This is not the moon because it's such a bright light, the moon cannot be seen, and the light source is moving somehow surprisingly quickly. Therefore, the question arises, what is it? Many ufologists and conspiracy theorists are actively copying, pasting each other's videos of Paula Gilly, in which she captured laser beams flying out of Saturn as well. So, the video below here was from 2018. Paula Gilly, while watching the sky, filmed something which crashed into Saturn and shattered it into pieces, after which it reassembled. Saturn, that is. So what is Saturn? Could Saturn be a huge spacecraft? Now we know that there are people that claim that the ring makers of Saturns could be UFOs, but we still don't know a lot about what's happening in our solar system. Paula Gilly has hundreds of such videos, and while being an astronomer and not an amateur one, she also asks questions and also does not know the answers to them. And there are many questions, more and more every day, obviously. So it remains only to wait for things to clarify themselves. And either, I don't know, extraterrestrials will arrive here, explain everything to us, or Nibiru, which is the size of Jupiter, and the ancient Sumerians called Jupiter Nibiru, visible from the nearest satellite, will hover over our Earth. And then when that happens, its scale will be epic, with equally dramatic scientific leaps of faith. And this is on Solask. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.